Living in Deltona offers the best of Florida life: sunshine, vibrant neighborhoods, and convenient access to both nature and the city. But with all that activity comes an unwelcome guest: outside noise. Whether it's early morning lawnmowers, nearby traffic, barking dogs, or neighborhood construction, unwanted sound can disrupt your peace and comfort. Fortunately, there's a smart and lasting solution: soundproof window installation. Installing soundproof windows in your Deltona home can make a remarkable difference in your daily life. Here's how and why. It's a smart investment for homeowners who value quiet and calm. The noise problem in suburban Florida neighborhoods. Deltona is a growing city, with more families, new developments, and increased traffic. While this growth is exciting, it also brings more noise, from cars on main roads to school bells and outdoor events. Most standard windows, especially if they're older or single pane, do little to block these sounds. They let in noise through gaps, weak glass, and insufficient seals. Over time, this constant background sound can impact your sleep quality, productivity, especially if you work from home, overall sense of calm and privacy. These soundproof windows offer a way to take back control of your indoor environment. How soundproof windows work. Soundproof or acoustic windows are designed with advanced materials and construction methods that significantly reduce the transmission of sound from outdoors into your home. Key features include laminated or multi-pane glass, typically 2 or 3 layers of glass, sometimes with special acoustic interlayers, to absorb and dampen sound vibrations. Increased air gaps. Space between the panes acts as a sound buffer, minimizing how much sound travels through. Tighter seals and frames. High-quality weather stripping and insulated frames help block sound leaks around the window. Together, these elements can reduce noise infiltration by up to 90%, depending on the level of outdoor disturbance and the quality of the window installed. The benefits of installing soundproof windows in your Deltona home: peace and quiet for better living. Imagine waking up without being startled by a garbage truck or enjoying a quiet evening without hearing distant traffic. Soundproof windows bring a noticeable sense of tranquility, helping you relax and recharge. Improved sleep and health. Chronic exposure to noise can impact sleep cycles and stress levels. By creating a quieter indoor space, these windows contribute to better rest and reduced stress, especially for families with infants, light sleepers, or seniors. Enhanced home value. In a competitive housing market like Deltona, features that improve comfort and privacy are highly desirable. Homes with soundproof windows stand out for their modern, energy-efficient upgrades and offer greater resale appeal. Energy efficiency bonus. Many soundproof windows are also energy efficient, thanks to their multi-pane construction and tight seals. This means you'll enjoy not only less noise but also lower utility bills, improved indoor temperature control, and a more sustainable home. What to expect during installation. The installation process is quick and minimally disruptive when handled by experienced professionals. Most homeowners can expect a free consultation to evaluate which windows are most affected by noise, a selection of custom window options to match your home's design and needs. It's a professional installation team that ensures a tight, secure fit. Depending on the size of your home and the number of windows being replaced, installation can take anywhere from 1 to 3 days. Is it worth the investment? For many Deltona homeowners, the answer is a resounding yes. Soundproof windows offer long-term comfort, energy savings, and a better quality of life. They're especially valuable if you live near busy roads, schools, parks, or areas with ongoing development. Final thoughts. If outside noise is robbing you of comfort, sleep, or productivity, it's time to consider soundproof window installation. With the right products and professional installation, you can transform your Deltona home into the peaceful retreat you deserve. Ready to make the switch? Contact a trusted local window installation expert today and take the first step toward a quieter, more comfortable home.